Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati. And in today's market, LIC Housing Finance, the subsidiary company of the LIC, is issuing 2-year and 9-year bonds at 7.09% and 7.99% respectively. Are these levels attractive? That remains to be seen, but it also sends a benchmark for all other issuers in issuing 2-year and 9-year bonds or 10-year bonds. Just before we go back onto the rest of the bond bites, do not forget to download our Quick Invest by INR Bonds app, where the best bonds are curated for you with the most information and the risk score, which gives you the exact risks of the bond, taking into all factors. Now, this is the most important part of bond investments, and investors should be aware of the risk they're investing in. The app gives you all the details of the bonds and a seamless in-app investment process. Download the app now.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.
Coming back to bond bites, in today's markets, Gsec yields went up. So the yields are around 7.41% levels after the 10-year Gsec auction cutoff came in at 7.4%. A couple of weeks back, the same levels were below 7.35%. The 10-year yield had gone down to below 7.30% before climbing up. And it looks like it's going to climb up further on all the issues surrounding the market. And in other markets, the US Treasury yields also crossed the 3.3% level after falling almost to around 2.8% levels. So a fresh uptrend for bond yields, and this uptrend is likely to continue. Going back to LIC Housing Finance, it's a subsidiary of LIC. The credit risk is very low. It's a direct subsidiary of LIC, hence the credit risk is very low. And they keep issuing bonds. One of the largest issue of PS bonds and well accepted by all the institutions. So 2-year yield at 7.1% is pretty much on the yield curve, while 7.99% is a little tight in terms of spreads because you get SDLs at similar levels of yields. SDLs are better than this bond. So thank you very much for listening in, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done so already.